Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will try to learn about Allen-Bradley PLC, how we can use the timers on delay and off delay. Let's start. First of all, I will open my RSLogix Classic. This software is using for communication with PLC and PC. So first of all, you have to be click on communications and you have to be fix your drivers, which drivers you like to be run RS232DF1 devices, and for example this you have to be collect, and after you can make it configuration. Simply you have to be choose auto configure. If your PLC is connected with your PC, it will be shown auto configuration successful. Then click it OK and go back close. But first of all, I will tell you something for COM port. In previous lecture, I forgot to explain you how you can check your COM port. And simply go to this PC and click it OK. Here is click it right click and go to the properties, and you can go to the device manager. When you go, after you can see, scroll down and you see the ports COM port laptop LPT. When you click it this one, your COM port will be shown as his COM5. This is my RS232 driver USB serial to COM port, and this is my COM port is configuration. Click it back and go back to complete and go to your RSLogix Classic, right? And just scroll down this one, not close, just scroll down and go to your software RSLogix 500 English. When you click this one, you can go, if you have installed this software in your PC, you will found continuously. See, this is your software for RSLogix 500, and simply click on offline and go to the upload. Which program is in your PLC, that will be backed up. Click create new files, and your program will be back up in your PC. For example, go to like to online, click it yes. If you don't like to go online, click it no. This already I program first, but I delete this all program. I will make new program for you for your explanation. First of all, I will take one bit from here and I will give the internal memory address B3:0/1, for example, and again I will choose one timer. First of all, I will take TON timer. This we will delete and this we will use. And this timer I have to be give address. First of giving address, I will like to show you this timers here. You can see this one. Timers start from T4.0, T4.1. This is 1.0 milliseconds. T4.2, T4.3 and up to goes to the T4.20. Any timer you can use from this memory, and cancel this one, and here make it address for your timer T4:0/1, or only I think so you have to be give T4.0, that's all. And here you have to be give the time 5 seconds or what, how much you like to, you can give, this you can give. And in next row you will go to the bit which is for open contact, and you can use the bit timer T4:0/1 and click enter. Sorry, this one not 1. Here you have to be make done. Yani for example, this no need. Put it down, or here you can write D and done. Because of this language is little different from other PLCs. This timer how works: when you give the signal to the timer enables, after it will be giving done. When time is done, after it will be executed, next function perform. So next I will take one output coil. Output coil how we can take out :2/0/0, or which you like to be take. This is on your choice, and simply go to the comms and download. And here asking for where you like to save this program. I will say that's one, and make this one okay and click it okay. All when you click it the yes, done. After this will be program download to the PLC, and then you can go to the remote run. Simply when you gives the signal to the toggle bit, and your timer will be started, and your when time is finished, after your out 2:0 will be on, and as you again toggle bit, this will be off. Simply this against B3:0 you can use also external memory I01, I02, I03, I04, or what this you like to use, you can choose. Simply you can this one see here inputs. This is the addresses. Sorry, this one we check the here. See this one I:1.0, and up to 15 you can use. After I:3, I:3.1, this seem like a serial will be running. For example, this is B3:0. I will use this next here. Go to the offline and click it no. And here you can choose your one signal I0.0. Not here we will choose. We will take it here. I:1/0, and that's you will go to the download, click it yes, wait for a second, click it yes to the run mode, click it yes. Now see what this will be working. If you give this signal toggle bit, but your timer will be not on, because of you have to be give must signal I:1.0. So I will give from my external PLC inputs, and I give the signal to I:1. Your time has been started, and as this time is completed, your output to number will be executed. As you remove the signal, your output will be closed. So this is the time on delay, and now I will show you how we can use this one off delay timer. Click it no, and this program will be used as like same, just only we have to be change it here off delay TOF. When you write it TOF, it will be goes to time off delay value. and also you can choose it from here. When you click it, this one timer counter, and this is timer on delay, this is timer off delay, and this is retentive timer on delay, and this is CTU counter up, this is counter down, this is the reset function. This will be later, inshallah. I will explain you all these commands how we can use in Allen-Bradley PLC. So in this lecture we will discuss only about on delay and off delay. Now I count this one off delay timer and simply go to the download, click it yes, again yes, and program is downloading to the PLC. Click it yes again, click it yes again, and now your PLC is online mode. As you gives the signal to the toggle bit, and as I give signal another one eye contact, I1 colon 0, but your output is on. But what's the difference between on delay and off delay? When you remove the signal, after this time will be started. You can see this time will started. After 5 seconds your output will be off. Immediately not off. When you close the signal, after 5 seconds will be off. You can focus on this out 2. I will give the signal. See, this is now on, and I remove now signal. You can see here is removes the signal, but timer is running, and as time is finished for 5 seconds, or which time you like to be setting here, no problem, you can change. I will change it, for example 6 seconds. It will be go at 6 seconds. As I give the signal, timer is running, but when time is completed, after this will be off. So guys, I hope you understand about this Allen-Bradley PLC, how we can use the timers on delay and off delay. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.